Okay, the next topic for grade 9 for democracy, we were doing features of democracy. In that, we have the topic is one person, one vote, and one value. Yeah, here we need to consider about that every individual who is giving up the vote, it is considered to be one vote, and the value of the vote is also considered to the equal. There are certain democracies in the world where equal amount or equal opportunity or equal value to the vote of the person is not considered. The examples are here for that. uh, this principle has now come to be accepted almost all over the world, yet there are many instances of denial of equal rights of votes. So there are many incidents in the world which is having a denial of equal votes. See, so like example of Saudi Arabia until 2015. So we can just go 4 years back. In Saudi Arabia, women did not have the right to vote. They have all other rights, but they don't have the right to vote to elect the government or to elect the representative who can run the government. Estonia has made its citizenship rule in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get right to vote. So the people, those who are there in the Russian minority, are finding it difficult to cast their vote. They are finding it difficult, so their vote is of not equal value, or everybody is not given. Maybe a powerful person approaches and make himself considered in the society to vote, and his vote is accepted, but not each and everybody who is from the Russian minority is having right to vote. In Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote of an indigenous Fiji, indigenous means the native Fijis, those who are born and brought up there only, has more value than of an Indian Fiji. See, during the colonial time, many people from India has been settled down over there in Fiji, so they are considered to be the Indian Fiji. So the those who are not born, though they have a citizenship, they have other rights, they are helping to the community, they are helping economically to the society, to the country, they are part of it, they are counted in the population, but still when it comes to election, elect the leaders who run the country, they don't have the value. Okay, democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality that give us the third feature of democracy. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote, and each vote must have one value. Yeah, so this is the basic value of democracy. So every citizen who gives the vote is having the equal value. You cannot deny that कि भाई इसका वैल्यू होगा इसका. So if that is the country which is running on such type of electoral system doesn't mean to have a democratic country, because women are not allowed in some countries you are Indian Fiji, so you are not allowed, but you are a part of a country, you are considered in the population, you are helping for the development of the economy, but when it come to elect the leaders to run the country, then you people are not allowed to vote, or your vote doesn't value at all. So somehow this is not a, so this is a, one of the feature that in a democracy each adult citizen, means after of age, yeah, must have one vote, each vote must have one value. आपका वैल्यू बढ़ा घटा नहीं सकते, they cannot reduce or increase your value of vote. They have to consider this equal only if you are an adult citizen. Okay.